She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist. Diamond Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like hey. Flexing on the gram like hey. Hit the Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping the finesse and getting paid.
Hey guys, it's Maya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Maya. What's up? I would love it if you would subscribe and join our little family here on YouTube. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this Cardi B look from the Finesse music video. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my Urban Decay primer potion and just put that on my lids to prime my eyes. And now I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette that I got for Christmas, and I'm going to be taking this white color and just putting that all over my lid just as a base. And sorry, I'm like kind of sick right now, so if my voice sounds weird, that's why. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking this light pink color from the same palette, and I'm just going to be building that up in the outer corner into the crease. And I'm literally just going to take a light hand and just build up the color until I get the, you know, the right color that I'm looking for. I don't know how to describe it. Now I'm going to be taking my all-time favorite palette, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Love Letter and a smaller brush, and I'm going to just be focusing that directly in the outer corner just to kind of make it a little bit darker and deeper and smokier, maybe? I don't know. And now I'm just going to be taking a fluffy blending brush and just blend everything out and kind of try and flick out the edges to kind of give it that smoky look around the corner. And now I'm going in with this really white silver color, and it's sparkly and it's perfect for this look. And I'm just going to be taking a flat shader brush and just putting that all over my lid. It's really powdery, so you kind of have to be careful with it, but it comes out super cute. And then I'm going to just be taking a blending brush again and just kind of blending the pink with the silver color so that everything looks, you know, good together. And now I'm going back in with that light pink color that we started with, and I'm just going to be focusing that on the outer edges of the crease just to, you know, make everything look good. I'm so bad at explaining. And now I'm going to take my Kat Von D liquid liner and do a thick line because that's what Cardi B had in the music video. And now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You could definitely have falsies for this look, but I don't have any right now, so yeah. And then now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with both eyes done. Bam! It's like magic. Wow. Amazing. And so now I'm going to start with my face. I'm going to use my Benefit Professional Primer and my Pro Filter Foundation. Fancy Beauty. Sponsor me, please. Thanks. Okay, is it just me or is that song really lit? But now I'm just going to blend everything out with my beauty sponge. I can't talk. And then I'm going to be taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer to highlight under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. And now I'm just going to blend out the highlight, just blend out the concealer. And then to set the concealer, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Loose setting powder, which is, y'all are sleeping on this powder. Okay, this powder is so good. Yeah, amazing. And then I'm going to take my ColourPop bronzer, and I'm taking a fluffy brush because she didn't really have any like harsh contour or anything. Her skin was just kind of glowy, so yeah, we're gonna do that. And please ignore all of the makeup that got on my hair. It looks kind of bad, but now I'm just gonna go back in with that. I think this is Love Letter, yeah. And we're just gonna smoke that under our eyes, like in the crease. Wait, what am I saying? Just smoke it out under our eyes and then put some bottom mascara on. And then for the bright pink lips, I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay lipstick in Foxy, and I got this in like freshman year. I don't know why, but I mean, it works for this look, so it's popping. And then I'm just gonna highlight with my ColourPop highlighter and Boy Next Door, and it's popping. Okay, look at it. It looks so good. And then we're almost done. I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray because I am basic like every other YouTuber. And yeah.
Flexing on the gram like, hey, hit the Lil Jon, okay.
That is all that I have for you guys today in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Cardi B Finesse makeup look. I don't know what I'm going to call this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below other video ideas or suggestions that you guys want me to do in the future. Don't forget to subscribe because we are so close to 2,000 subscribers here on my channel. And once again, I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Look at me like you want it. Tell them that we ain't starting it.